So this is the second part of the programming. In the next part it is written that reverse equal to reverse modulus 10 plus remainder. So here in the last programming we have find out that reverse modulus 10 plus remainder. I have made you understand that we have to convert this 1 to 4 numeral into ONE1 TWO2 FOUR4. So for that we will use switch case operator. So in the switch case operator I made you understand that when we have one switch and multiple cases, we have to check each and every case and we have to come across one situation. We have to select some situation. Like here we have to select only 1, 2 and 4. ONE1 TWO2 FOUR4. So we have to match from these set of situations. So int reverse equals to 0 remainder. I made you understand that input is 1 to 4. So this is the name of the class switch case, and this is the name of the method public void main, where we have taken num as variable, we have taken reverse as variable equals to 0 and remainder as another variable. We are checking here while num is greater than 0, then remainder equals to num percent 10. Num is greater than 0 means 124 is greater than 0. Yes, it is greater than 0. Then remainder equal to num percent 10, num modulus 10. You know that modulus and division operator. Modulus operator will give us remainder, whereas the division operator will give us the quotient. So 124 modulus 10 will give us 4. And when we will put all the other value in this situation, in this equation, which is reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder, then we will put the value which is 0 into 10 plus 4. The value of reverse is given here 0. So 0 plus 4 equals to 4. So we can see it is picking number from last. So we will get 4, then 2 and then 1. So at the first time we will get 4. Then it will check in the switch case loop that case 1 result equal to result plus 1. So break. Case 2 result equal to result plus 2. So when it will get 4, that it will print FOUR4. In the next loop we have while reverse is greater than 0. So after reverse we will go to the second while loop. While reverse is greater than 0, remainder equal to remainder modulus 10, reverse equal to reverse division 10. Here 421 from last part, 4 to 1. The number 1 to 4 is in reverse is 4 to 1. So 4 to 1 is the number in the reverse order. So reverse modulus 10, then it is picking 1, then 2 and then 4. Means from this while loop it is checking the number from 1 to 4, and from this while loop it is checking the number from 4 to 1. So here we will see what is going on here. It is picking 1, after that reverse equal to reverse by 10. Here we will exclude 1. In the case of division operator, we will exclude 1 or it will remove 1. Then we will have 4 and 2. Every time it is putting remainder. So whenever I will get 4 and then 2, then it will print 4 and 2. So in the above programming, switch case will check through modular and normal division. So whenever it will get 1 to 4, it will print, and rest it will exclude. So again I will revise the programming. In this programming we have to convert the numerals into equivalent words. We have to convert 1 to 4 into ONE1 TWO2 for that we will use switch case programming. So in this programming we have to do division with 10. So normal division with 10 and modular division with 10. We can find out number one by one from its last using modular division. So in case of modular division, this is modular division, we got the value as 4 as remainder. Means in normal division every time, in case of modular division we are getting the remainder as 5. In normal division every time the unit place is excluded, means it is removed, whereas in modular division we are picking any number, whether it is too large, one by one it will pick a number. In the programming first it is doing reverse when it is going to while loop. Here while num is greater than 0, then while 124 is greater than 0, remainder equal to num modulus 10, 124 modulus 10 which is 4, and reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. So we have reverse 0 into 10 plus 4. So 0 plus 4 equal to 4. So we can see it is picking number from last. So we will get 4 and then 2 and then 1. So we are getting number 4, 2, 1 in reverse order. So after reverse we will go to the second while loop, which is this. In the second while loop it is again checking reverse is greater than 0. Yes, reverse is greater than 0. Then remainder equal to reverse modulus 10. Reverse equal to reverse division 10. Here 421 is the number. Reverse modulus 10, then it is picking 1, then 2 and then 4. Again it is picking the number from unit place. Here it will exclude 1 or it will remove 1, and then we will have 4 and then 2. Every time it is putting at first place it will remove 1, then at second iteration it will remove 2, and then in 421 at first iteration it will remove 1, at second iteration it will remove 2, at third iteration it will remove 4. So one by one we will get the value as 1, 2 and 4, and we will get the output as ONE1, TWO2 and FOUR4. So I hope you will understand that this programming is all about modulus and division operator, and how we are excluding the number one by one. We are checking the number from unit place 1, 2 and 4, and we are using switch case where we are providing the number of conditions. In the case of result plus 0, then whatever will be the result, the number will be added there, and it will check the number if that is the same number which we are checking. And when it is getting ONE1, TWO2, FOUR4, then it is printing the number. So in the case of reverse operation we will use the modulus and remainder operator. So I hope you will understand. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.